Alright, so then for day 1 notes, we're on example 6. I'm just going to walk you through how to do this one. So first of all, I'm going to fill out this over here first, but I do need the information up here. So it says, given that the measure of angle AOB is 56 degrees and OF is a bisector of angle GOE, answer the following questions. So, couple things. This here is an angle bisector. That means that these two angles are congruent. Okay? Secondly, if I'm looking at this entire picture as a whole, you should see that these two lines make vertical angles. So these two are congruent. Okay, so these are both 56. And then also this shows that this one is 90 here. It's given to us, which means this one here is also 90. Okay, you can see that this line and this line create these two vertical angles. Okay, now to get my other angles that are missing, I know that these two angles right here are complementary. They add to 90 because this whole thing is 180. I already know this is 90. So 90 minus 56 gives me 34 here. Okay? Now, if I look at BOC, this angle BOC, and this angle GOE, these are actually vertical angles. Like this whole angle and this whole angle. So this whole thing is 34. Okay? But I know that this blue line, or this blue ray, is an angle bisector, cutting that in half, making these equal. So I would take half of 34 to get these two angles, which is 17 degrees. Okay? And one more time, this blue ray, it's the bisector. Okay, we call it an angle bisector because it cut an angle in half. So over here to answer my questions, the measure of EOF, so EOF is 17 degrees. For B, the measure of AOG was 90. Okay, BOC was 34. DOE was 56. Okay, and then it asks, what is the relationship of GOF and FOE? Well, first of all, they're adjacent angles because they are next to each other. They share a ray. So one, I would write adjacent. Okay. And in this particular case, these also, so I'm going to put and, these are also congruent angles because of that bisector. So I'm going to go ahead and jot that down too. Okay. So for the next one, it's the same way, but I'm going to go a little bit quicker since we've discussed the details up here. So if I know that this is 34, vertical angles makes this 34. If this is 90, then this is 90. Okay. To get this angle, I'm doing 90 minus 34, and that's 56 degrees. To get these two angles, I take 56 divided by 2. And this would give me 28 degrees. Okay, so these are congruent angles. Alright, so to answer my questions over here, the measure of EOF is 28 degrees. Angle AOG is 90. Angle BOC was 56. DOE was 34. And then it looks like we're looking at the same angles again, GOF and FOE. So again, those are adjacent. See that at all? Those are adjacent angles and congruent angles. And that is it.